If you encounter billing errors on Fleetio, it's important to address them promptly to ensure accurate financial records. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Identify the error. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents that support your claim, such as previous invoices, payment receipts, and any correspondence related to the billing issue. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Fleetio's customer support team via their official contact methods. Provide them with a clear explanation of the error and attach any supporting documentation. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communications for reference. Step 5. Confirm resolution. Once the issue is addressed, confirm that the billing has been corrected. Check your account to ensure that the changes have been made and that your billing statement is accurate. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on Fleetio and maintain accurate financial records.